Cats think they're royalty. Cats think they're ninjas. Cats think they're hilarious. And honestly, they're absolutely right. Cats are convinced they own everything. Your house, not your house, their kingdom. Your laptop, not your laptop, the perfect throne. Your bed, definitely their bed. They walk through rooms like they're auditioning for a fashion magazine. Head high, zero care. The confidence is unmatched. But here's where it gets hilarious. They're also the clumsiest creatures alive. They knock over a glass, they run away like you just fired a gun. They get stuck behind the couch, suddenly they forgot how to move. They try to jump to a shelf and miss, immediately pretend it was intentional. Walk away like nothing happened. Zero shame, pure comedy. The truth is, cats aren't trying to be funny. They're just living their lives, being dramatic, being lazy, being adorable, being absolutely ridiculous. And that's exactly why we love them. Because cats don't do anything halfway. They're all in all the time. And we're all here for it.